Okay, so here's a quick sanity check for the sending part of cookie policy. So here we have two cookies. They have different domains. And the question is for each of these three sites, checkout.site.com, login.site.com, and othersite.com, which cookies get sent when I make the request. So when I go to checkout.site.com, does my browser send cookie 1? Does it send cookie 2? Does it send both? Does it send neither? And the same for the other two domains. So maybe pause the video and think about that, and then we'll walk through this. Okay, so remember that the browser will send the cookie as long as the cookie domain is a domain suffix of the URL domain. So in other words, as long as the URL I'm sending it to, as long as that URL ends in the cookie domain, then the cookie will get sent. So for the first one, checkout.site.com. Does checkout.site.com end in login.site.com? Well, no, it doesn't, so cookie 1 is not sent. But does checkout.site.com end in site.com? Yes, it does. So cookie 2 is sent here. And what about login.site.com? Well, does login.site.com end in login.site.com? Yes, it does. So cookie 1 is sent. And does login.site.com end in site.com? Yes, it does. So cookie 2 is also sent. And the last example, does othersite.com end in login.site.com? No, it doesn't. And does othersite.com end in .site.com? Well, again, remember the domain suffix means that everything between the dots has to match, and other site and site are different words. They don't match. So for the last one, neither cookie matches, so both of them are not sent. And there also is a path attribute here, but for both cookies, the path is just set to /, so anything would work. But if the path was set to something else, then you would have to check the path as well.